what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is...
Oh yeah.
Okay guys, today's video is a little bit different. You are going to have a recipe. It is good old-fashioned fry bread. It's going to be at the tail end of this video. I'll try to link where it comes in at a timestamp down in the description if you're here just for the recipe. If not, you're going to come with us around the farm. We sold chickens last night, and my sweet husband and Isaac and Daniel allowed me to stay home, and I did not have to come over here and work. However, I do have some stuff to do. We're over here now checking fans. I've got to grab all the paperwork and put it together and close out this flock. And so anyway, I still have stuff to do. So we're going to do a little bit of farm stuff, just normal stuff, and then you're going to get the recipe at the end of this video. Hey y'all, like I said, this week's videos are a little bit different. We've sold chickens. That takes me out of the kitchen for a little bit. Even if I didn't help over there, but I still have gone over there and had to do paperwork. We've had a tragedy in the church. It's just an odd week, and so our videos aren't going to be normal videos. However, we have got some farming to do. So I'm up here at the hay barn, and I think we are getting ready to start hay time. Y'all know I love my hay time. But that's what we're getting ready to start, so Brighton's up here up to something.
All right, what we're doing is, if you guys remember, we bought this baler here last year. It's due a free 21-point inspection at the local dealership. And so we're going to carry it in since we're done with chickens. About 2 weeks, week and a half, we're going to start baling hay. And I want to make sure she's ready to go. So we're going to hook her to the truck. I got to move this tractor, going to hook her to the truck, carry her to the local Kubota dealership.
That's my tractor.
That's her tractor that she never uses.
This is the baling wrap that goes around our bales. He's unhooking her from the tractor.
We're putting it in transport mode. What this chain does right here, it hooks right here. It's supposed to.
He's been up all night.
So as you transport it down the road, you don't have any issues. It's close. You may have to give it some encouragement.
And she's on. I'll show you guys something else. We've got my garden spot tilled and ready. We'll till it again in a few days, and then I'll get ready to plant. It's a good thing we didn't plant already because I believe we had a frost last night, and so or maybe it was the night before, I can't remember. But you know, now that we've sold chickens, even though I didn't go over there, my days are all mixed up. But anyway, so we'll plant it in a few days, and we'll till it one more time before we plant. And I've got 2 little blonde-headed grandbabies that are wanting to earn some money, and I see a few rocks in here that probably need to get out. So we may let them get some rocks out and make them a little toy money.
All right, we finally got all this hooked up, ready to go. Had to take the PTO shaft off the tractor. And so...
that's it laying right there.
Yeah, and so I got everything ready to go. It ain't often that you have to haul it with the truck. But occasionally you have to, especially like going to the dealership or something like that.
And this is just a checkup, right?
Yep, nothing's wrong with it. It's because we bought it last year.
It's still under warranty.
Yep, they will make sure everything is running well, and that as a customer that we're happy. So we've got everything buttoned up, everything tied up. We're ready to go.
Gotta shut the doors.
Shut the doors.
All right, let's head to town.
Go.
Well, I'm headed back to the farm. I've got to drive the skid steer and do a little bit of the final cleanup. So I'm headed back to the farm. Because we have Isaac and Daniel helping us a lot here now, when I come over here and work, woo, I can tell it's been a while and I start sneezing. Okay guys, we're about to finish up here. There's not a whole lot more to see, so I'm just gonna head you right now to the fry bread video that was done yesterday. So go enjoy that video, and I will see you back here on Thursday. So I'll come back and say goodbye in just a second. Hey, and yes, before you guys ask, we do have masks to wear when we are in the house. It's just I haven't been to the chicken houses in a while, and also the pollen is pretty high here today. So but yes, I knew you guys would ask and be concerned. We do have masks to wear when we are in the house. Let's make some old-fashioned fry bread. What do you say? Let's do it. To make old-fashioned fry bread, you need an old-fashioned pan. Then we're going to start with 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, a nice teaspoon of salt, and then we give it a mix. And here we mix in 1.5 cups of hot tap water and mix it until a nice dough ball forms. Next thing, we cover and let it rest for 45 minutes to an hour. Now that your dough is rested, you want to form it into a circle and then divide it into approximately 16 portions, give or take. Some will be a little bit larger than others, and then some will be smaller. So I just cut it into half, then fourths, then eighths, and then I cut the eighths in halves again, making 16. At least it gives me a division point. Take each portion and flatten it down into approximately a 3 to 4 inch circle. Have about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of oil in your frying pan, and just lay the little dough down to fry. And now you're left with these beautiful fluffy pillows of fried bread. And we're gonna taste them with 3 different sauces. You can just salt them and they're fine, but we're gonna try it with molasses, honey, and maple syrup. 3 different ways. Smearing it with some good butter. Good old salted butter. And we're gonna try the molasses first. Delicious. Now for the maple syrup. And now for the honey. Y'all aren't gonna believe this. My favorite is the molasses. I like the molasses. But oh my goodness, any of them are delicious. You don't even need the syrup on it. Just some good salty butter. You don't even need the butter. That is good. Good old-fashioned fry bread. All right, guys, so I'm going to sign out for here. I hope you enjoyed the fry bread recipe. I did go ahead and put that on over on Facebook, but I know not all of you have Facebook, so I decided to add it to this video, especially since this week's videos are a little bit odd and a little bit different because I just don't ever know what each day holds, and we've been busy over here at the farm. I can't always film while I'm here at the farm just because we're busy and working. So anyway, just know that this week's videos, you're probably going to get all kinds of stuff. So I will see you back here Thursday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, if the grease is hot enough, you can fry anything, even some dough, and make it into delicious fry bread. So good. All right. Bye, y'all.